Hey everyone, welcome to this LearnWorlds beginner tutorial, your step-by-step guide to creating, customizing and launching your online course from scratch. Whether you're an educator, coach, content creator or just someone with knowledge to share, LearnWorlds gives you all the tools to build an engaging course, host it on a professional looking website and sell it with ease without needing to write a single line of code. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up your online school, creating your first course, adding videos, and lots of other interesting things. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, no prior experience is needed. So if you've been thinking about turning your expertise into income, now's the time. And before we get started, if you'd like to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for LearnWorlds. Before we carry on, let's take a quick look at the pricing. So here you can see the different plans available. So first you've got the starter plan, then you've got the pro trainer plan, learning center plan, which is the most popular one, and high volume and corporate plan. Alright then, to begin we're going to start a free trial, so just click on start a free trial and follow the steps. Alright, so now you're required to enter your email and then LearnWorlds lets you choose a URL for your course. Next you're going to have to choose your school name and then set a password for your account. Once your school's created, LearnWorlds will ask you to choose a template for your website. Templates are basically pre-designed layouts to determine how your school homepage looks, the fonts, colors, section arrangements, and overall feel. There are different options based on your industry. It could be coaching, health and wellness, education, marketing, and more. So just select the one that best suits your brand. Okay, so this is the template we chose. So we're just going to continue editing the site. Then here LearnWorlds just gives you some steps to follow, like creating your first course, customizing your school's website, setting up your payment gateway, and integrating your business. Alright, now let's go ahead and customize our school's website. So just click on edit website. It's loading up. Great, so this is what the site looks like, and you can see that you've got different tools. No need to get overwhelmed. I'm going to walk you through each of them. So at the very top left, you see several menu options. These give you full control over your site structure and behavior. So first you've got page. So this lets you switch between pages, adjust page properties, SEO settings, top bar and footer, and add custom code. Then next you've got edit. Here you can copy your sections, paste all sections, clear content. So this is super useful if you're duplicating layouts across pages. Then you've got design. This section controls your overall design system. You've got colors, typography, buttons and inputs. Then next you've got site. So this helps with site navigation, site custom code, site SEO. Then next you've got add, where you can add a new page, a new pop-up or a new funnel. So you may choose to change the colors first. You come here, change the colors, and then find images that match your colors, or you could just find the images before changing the colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to change this image. So here you can see the image, you can edit it. So let's try to change this image. Nice, so just click on change. And remember, if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for LearnWorlds. Alright, so let's carry on. So here you can see that you've got the option of uploading from your device. So you can get files from your device, or you can get from Unsplash, Dropbox, and the rest. So let's just go with this image gallery. Let's find a photo here. Great, so that's how you change the image. Let's try to change the colors. This is the brand primary color. So let's see if we can find something that matches this better. Okay, let's go with this. Let's see. Great, this looks nice. Okay, once you're done making adjustments, just come down here, click on save and close. And of course you can adjust the text to match the message of your brand or your school's content. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the text here. I'm just going to highlight it first. I'm just going to paste because I've already copied my text. Okay, so ensure that you save the progress on your page. Okay, so this is what our site looks like now. Alright, so it's pretty easy. So you can even add a section if you'd like. So if you'd like to add a section, just click here. Yeah, so it's really nice to have a template because it's already pre-designed, so you don't have to do too much. So the next thing you're going to do is create your course. So you could just go to your left-hand menu, click on courses and programs. Alright, so LearnWorlds makes it easy for you, gives you 5 steps. First, you're going to have to set up your course details. Next, plan your course structure, add your course content, adjust the course page layout, and then finalize your course setup. Let's begin. Just click on create your first course, give your course a name and a short description. Next, you're going to need a course URL, so we can just go with this one, it's already suggested. Now it's time to decide how your audience will access the course. If you're still working on it, you can go with draft, so no one else can see it yet. If you want to build your email list or give people a taste of what's coming, you can go for free. If your course is ready and you're looking to earn, you can choose paid. If you need it to be exclusive or only accessible to a few selected people, you can go with private. If you're just creating buzz before your official launch, you can go with coming soon. So it all depends on what you want. Let's just go with draft for this tutorial. Alright, now we're at the stage where you get to craft the content for your online course. LearnWorlds offers a few different ways to do this depending on what you already have and how you'd like to get started. So first you've got start building from scratch. This is perfect if you're building your course piece by piece. You'll be able to use LearnWorlds' rich library of learning activities including videos, PDFs, quizzes, surveys and more. It's highly customizable, giving you full control over the structure, layout and flow of your course from the ground up. Then next you've got start building with AI. This uses LearnWorld's AI-powered assistant to help you quickly generate course content. Just provide a course topic or idea and the AI can suggest lesson titles, content outlines, and even help you out with your modules. Next, you've got upload files. If you already have your course materials like videos, PDFs, and audio files or presentations, you can simply upload them here in bulk. Then next you've got import and synchronize. If you've created content in another LearnWorlds school or platform, this option allows you to seamlessly import and sync that content into your current course. Alright, so if you're going with start building from scratch, you can come here, select section title, section description, and then set the accessibility. So once you're done, you can click on save. But for this tutorial, let's go with start building with AI so it can generate content for us. Alright, so the topic's already here. So the course is about speaking with power. It's a public speaking course. Then here you can choose the learning activities of your choice. So videos, ebooks, and exams are already selected. If you want to add PDFs, you can add. If you want to add audio, forms, self-assessments, live sessions, webinars, a certificate, and all of that. Okay, so once you've selected, you can just click on generate. Great. Now our AI assistant has created a course outline for us. So here you can see the different modules, then the content and everything. And of course, you can always adjust this. So if you want something else, you can just click on it and then adjust it. Now that we have the structure of our course in place, I can begin inserting content into each section using this. So whether it's videos, written lessons, or interactive activities, this is where I start building the learning experience for my students. Now, for this option, if you're not satisfied with the current outline or specific section, Regenerate will prompt the AI to create a new version for you. Then you can also improve prompt. This option enhances what's already there, polishing the AI-generated content, making it sound more professional, clearer, or more engaging. The next you've got suggest new section. This feature allows the AI to analyze what you already have and recommend additional sections that can make your course more complete. So you can just click here to insert content. Now we're just going to click on add activity. Alright, so now you get to decide, do you want to upload a video, PDF, or do you want to upload an audio file, add a YouTube video? So there are lots of different options here, so just choose the one that you want. For instance, if you want to upload a video, you can just click here. Then once you do that, you're going to have to select a name and then click on save and edit. So you can do that for each of the modules, or depends on the kind of learning activity you want. So LearnWorlds makes it very easy to do all of this. So right here on the course settings, you can see some sections. First, there's general. This is where you set your course title, description, thumbnail, and basic course info. So here you've even got your course cards. You can upload an image here and change the description if you want to. You can add the author's name and other things. Then next you've got access. Access lets me decide whether this course is available to everyone, only to registered users, or just to selected participants. So there are different options here, so just choose the one that best suits your course. Then next you've got pricing. So in the pricing section, I can choose whether to offer the course for free or charge a fee. Then next I've got user progress. So user progress lets me control how students move from one lesson to the next and whether they can skip ahead or must go in order. And course player lets me design the learning experience. I can choose layout style, sidebar options, and even branding colors. So here you can see you can choose the course player skin. There are different options here. You can choose colored minimal, classic, or any other option. Then here you've got some different features. So you can just select the ones that you want and deselect the ones that you do not want. Then your video library acts as your course media vault. You can upload all your teaching videos here and use them in multiple lessons or even in other courses. Alright, so that's how you create your content for your course. Alright, now that you've created your course, you can go back to your website. So now you're in your website. You can come here, come to courses, just click on this drop down and you can see that your course is now on your website. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget, if you'd like to follow along with me, you can click on the link in the description to start your 14-day free trial on LearnWorlds. Thank you for watching.